Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Lauren from Guthrie and Ghani, and in this video I wanted to put a spotlight on one of our gorgeous G&G Sewing Society kits featuring the Sew Over It City Bag set. So every month the G&G team and I create two brand new Sewing Society kits, predominantly featuring garments like the Freddie Pratt and Company Pogo Knit that I've got on just now, and also my trousers as well. That's the Jali Eleanor trousers. Or sometimes we do a bag kit as well, and it makes it really easy to plan your next sewing project because you get everything you need all together. And I know that our customers also really love getting the hints and tips video as well that I make to go with all of the kits to help you show the process and learn new skills, increase your sewing confidence, and then also just feel really proud of the finished project as well. So if you're new to the G&G Sewing Society, then you can find out more about it in the links that are in the description to this video. But I'm going to get stuck in and talk to you about these gorgeous bags that I have out here. So we always have several choices of fabric in the kit. So in this particular one, we've got 4. Sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 4 if we just can't narrow down the colours. And in this case, we just love the combination of all of these gorgeous 4 colours with the coordinating webbing. And being able to see a sample made up of the kit that you're getting, I know is another real benefit that our customers really love about the kits, because it just helps you to see what all of these components are actually going to look like once you have made your project. We also really love to add in a special G&G touch as well. So it might be an alternative technique, or it might be just adding in an extra little detail. So in this kit, we show you in the video how to add the piping, which goes around the circular edge out here. So you make that using piping cord and the same outer fabric, and it just helps to give a really lovely definition to the bag and a great skill as well to have for future projects. The other G&G addition that we have in this kit as well is a little mini D-ring and a lobster clip, which allow you to attach the card wallet that comes as part of the set to the inside of the bag. So you can make the card wallet in various combinations of the outer and the lining fabric, and then we show you how to just add on this little tab with the D-ring, which means you can then take the wallet out, you could put it in another bag, put it in your pocket, whatever, and then you've got this little lobster clasp which is attached to the lining on the inside. Also great for keys as well, so you don't lose your keys inside your bag. So this classic duffel bag style is super roomy. It's got this zip opening at the tops. This is a lovely, nice, chunky metal toothed YKK zip, and then on the outside it's got 2 exterior pockets that sit between the straps, so you just sort of slide things in and out of them, and then on the inside you can add a little zipped welt pocket as well. So that is all covered in the pattern and in the video as well, so it just gives another little handy addition there. I just absolutely love the webbing on here, and you can choose what way round you attach it. So it's kind of reversible almost, the webbing, so you can either have the more sort of cream side facing out, or like in this blue one here I had the sort of brighter blue facing out. And I also show you how you can work out and customize the length of the strap that you want to have as well. So on this navy one, I made the strap shorter, so it's more like you could kind of carry it by your side like that, whereas on these ones here, these straps are a bit longer, so that's when you're more able to sort of comfortably put it over your shoulder. It does also have this adjustable and a detachable crossbody strap as well. So this has the little J hooks here where you can unclip it, and then that's just a nice little detail in itself there with a little webbing at the side, so you can wear it across your body as well, which is really handy. So inside the kit, you get all of these bits and pieces, everything you need to make exactly the bags that you see here in your chosen colour. And it's really handy just to get, especially in a project where it does have lots of bits and pieces, to get everything all together. You know that it's all the right thing for the project, it all matches and coordinates, and it really helps to give the end result just a really gorgeous finish when everything just coordinates so nicely. So everything from the hardware, the zips, the thread, the right machine needles to put in your machine, the different types of webbing, the fabric, the interfacing. You get an A0 pattern printout of the pattern as well, and you do also get access to the PDF files should you want them for your future reference. And then, of course, as I've mentioned a few times, you also get access to my top tips video where I break down the key construction stages, show you alternative ways that you can do things, how you can just tweak it and customize it so that you really get something that is going to work well for you. And of course, give you the confidence that you need to apply these skills onto future projects. So it's one price for each of the kits. It's £75, and that is including absolutely everything. So you can see the full list of contents on the listing description for this kit here. All of the links to buy these gorgeous bag kits and browse all of our other gorgeous G&G Sewing Society kits are in the description below. You can have a look on our website. We ship worldwide. And if you want to see what amazing brand new Sewing Society kits we have coming up in 2025, then make sure that you are signed up to our newsletter. So we always give access to our newsletter list first on the first Wednesday of every month at midday UK time. All of our lovely subscribers get access to the brand new kits that come out for 24 hours before they go on general sale, and it is the best way to make sure you can secure the kit that you want in your preferred colour as well, because numbers are always limited. We just make a set amount, and then once they are gone, they are gone. So I hope you found that inspiring and you want to give one of these gorgeous bag projects a go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then just remember to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.